Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to join me today. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, thank you so much for coming back and letting me keep you company while I just blabber and talk about makeup. So today I decided to do something really different because I don't know, not really different, but I decided to do a foundation review. I feel like foundation reviews are my favorite type of videos on YouTube. Honestly, it's fun. You get to see what kind of what brand, what range
you'll do.
What am I saying? Wow! You get to see what skin tones that brands can cater to, and you get to see if they cater to different undertones, and you get to actually test out the foundation. So today we're gonna see what this foundation is really about. So, you know, stick around and we'll get right into that. Today we're gonna be testing out the Body Shop Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation. This has mattifying clay and purifying tea tree. So this is 100% vegan. It's formulated without petroleum and mineral oil. It's enriched with community trade tea tree and is suitable for sensitive skin, and of course they don't test on animals. And this foundation claims to be a matte high coverage. It's 24-hour long wear. Honestly, I wish I could test that out, but I'm not gonna do that. It's 24-hour shine control, it's 24-hour breathable wear, it promotes clearer looking skin, and it's non-pore clogging. So this is what the foundation looks like, guys. This is Santiago Walnut, and this is Moluccan, I hope I'm saying that right, Moluccan Nutmeg. And these are the two darkest shades in the foundation range. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys in a minute, but I'm on the website and I see that there's like 10 shades of the foundation. I don't know, I don't feel like this should be the darkest shade in the range, so I'm just gonna swatch this for you guys so that you guys see what I'm talking about. Santiago Walnut, that's 072, that's the darkest shade in the range. I feel like the good thing about them though is I feel like the other foundation that they have, this one costs 160 bucks at Clicks. The other one probably costs about 300 bucks. This is a little ridiculous, guys. How do you go from this to this, first of all? And how is this the darkest? Like, this is probably too light for me, actually. I'm gonna have to use something to darken it up. You know what? We are tired of talking about this. Nope. Okay, we're just gonna review it. Let's just go right ahead and actually put this foundation on. It's funny because now I have to do my base first and I just don't do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I'll be back in a bit to do the foundation. Alright, so my eyebrows are done and now we're gonna just get into reviewing this foundation. A part of me just wants to put it right here and then maybe darken down my face with a darker foundation, or just mix it from the go, because this is going to be a disaster if I don't. And I'm actually just gonna take a little bit of time because I do not know how crazy this is gonna get. So I'm mixing it with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in 355 because it's just super mattifying. Coverage is not bad at all. Okay, let me try and go overboard and hope I don't go too overboard. Okay, so far I'm actually really loving the coverage. The problem is it's giving me a little bit of a gray cast, and I'm not sure if it's because I'm mixing it. I'm not about to give it a chance by itself. It's too yellow, like way too yellow. See what I mean? Like, my forehead looks darker than where I just put the foundation on, and oh my gosh, okay. When you look at it from here, it almost looks like my skin tone, but my forehead is a little darker than the rest of my face because of acne. I had like seriously bad pimples when I was in like junior high school, like from 1 up to from 3, that is grade 8 up to 10, and it's way better now, but the scars are still bugging me and they're just basically making me look darker there and whatever. But this is some seriously great coverage though. Like, I'm still mad about the shade range though. Like, y'all need to do better, because I honestly don't understand how we could have 10 foundations, like 10, and it's not like the Body Shop is just local and hella. It's like an international company. You guys should probably know better. It is a good price for the coverage, let me not lie. Oh, okay. Oh, this dries down matte though. This is like some serious matte. Okay, I honestly like the finish of this because I love matte foundations. I know a lot of people out there just don't like matte foundations, but I do like the way this looks. I like the finish. I just wish it wasn't this orange. Brands have a tendency to do that with darker skin tone, darker foundations. I'm not sure why, but a lot of times you'll realize that darker foundations do run a little orange, and ain't nobody trying to be running around looking like Oompa Loompa, honestly, and Oompa Loompa. For my foundation on the forehead, I'm actually just gonna go a little darker because I genuinely don't want to look crazy over here. You know what? I'm not gonna be surprised if they actually claim that this foundation lasts for 24 hours. I am not surprised at all. At all. I think I might actually add a little bit right here again because these scars just, acne scars are clowning me right now. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop because if I don't, I'm gonna end up looking cakier than I already do. And okay. Alright, so for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 45, and I'm just gonna put that on the bridge of my nose, a dot on my forehead, on my chin, and underneath my eyes. And I'm just gonna blend it in. I really love this concealer, and the fact that it's drugstore just makes it so much better. I just wish Maybelline was cruelty free, but you know, maybe they're getting there. I don't know, does anybody else have like this divot right here, like this, I don't know, eye dimple? I don't know what that is. I can never blend it away. Like, no matter how hard I try, I can see it, and it bugs me so much. Like, so why? Anyway, I'm just gonna blend that right in and put it on my eye as well, because we might wear some eyeshadow. Give this foundation a fair chance, to be quite honest. And for my nose contour, I'm using the Rimmel Insta Conceal and Contour Kit. I don't like using contour kits. Honestly, I usually just use like a darker foundation or just an actual concealer, a darker concealer than my skin tone to contour. But I like this for my nose contour because it has a little bit like a red undertone, I don't know. And I learned this trick from Makeup Shayla, if you guys watch her. She says this is a season 10 contour, where you basically contour from the beginning of your eyebrows and then you bring it all the way to the middle, and then you just blend it down. So now I'm just using a my BH Cosmetics brush in the number 11 to contour my nose. Guys, this brush is beat up, okay? Like, whew, it has seen every type of struggle. Alright, now I'm actually gonna use like a darker foundation to contour the rest of my face, my forehead, my cheeks, and my jawline, because you know, some of us just need that extra snatchage. And so I don't usually go too ham with like liquid contour, because I usually do go over my contour with powder contour, and I just feel like that just helps make me look a lot more snatched than if I just used the one and then blended face powder over the contour. And by face powder, I literally mean like a shade that is my skin tone, guys. I'm so sorry. Sometimes I just say things and I feel like people understand me. I don't know if that's just me, and I just expect people to understand me, and I forget that people are not in my head and I actually need to explain what I mean. Oh, this is the shade 365 from the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. my camera decided to fail me and I decided to just do my eye look off camera, and I put my lashes on. I am using the Aldir number 35 lengthening lashes. These are my favorite go-to lashes. Moving on, I don't know how this foundation looks so far. I'm hoping that it's fine. I'm thinking of just hydrating a little bit though. I haven't finished my base, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with some blush and some highlighter, and yeah, we can see what to do. So I am using my ColourPop Karishi X ColourPop Femme Rosa her face palette, and I am using this blush right here, and I'm just gonna tap into that, and I'm just gonna pound it into my face. And for highlighter, I am using, you guys need to see this highlighter, bruh. Like, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is my Wet n Wild highlighter in Crown on My Canopy, and this is my go-to highlighter. Can't live without it. Love it. Would die for it. Kill for it. I'm just gonna brush that along my cheek. Don't want to go overboard because this isn't necessarily the look for that. And then I'm actually gonna dip some or put some in the inner corner of my eye, because why not? So I'm just gonna take some of that and work it right there and right there. Now I found that this shade can be a little dark for lighter skin tones, but Worry Not Wet n Wild has a whole range of crown, petal, middle inspired highlighters for you to choose from and stuffs. Alright, next I'm gonna cover my lips. I do not know what to do today to these lips. Don't know. I feel like red lip gloss would be like a lot, like it would be so extra. Actually, I am gonna be using my Rimmel Oh My gloss just to top up this look, because I feel like this is fine. Love this gloss. It smells amazing and it's long lasting. I'm literally trying to remember if I forgot anything in this whole process, but this is the final look. This is what the Body Shop foundation looks like. I decided to just zhuzh it up a little bit and not just do foundation, just to give it a fair chance and to give you guys an idea of what it would look like if you put other stuff on, like lashes and eyeshadow, and I hope this helps a little bit. The fact that this shade is the darkest shade in the range, honestly speaking, I'm not the darkest black person. I'm dark, but I'm not the darkest black person. There's probably like at least 30 more shades after me, I'm sure. Maybe I'm being dramatic, but this is what I think. And I feel like for a store that's as prominent and that's as well respected as the Body Shop, to put out a shade range, hopefully maybe they extend it, but to put out a foundation that basically has 10 shades and this being the darkest shade is a tad bit disrespectful to people that are darker than me and to the black community and to black buying power. Apart from that, this could be a great foundation for somebody who has like really oily skin, somebody who wants to have a foundation that will last through anything, and the fact that it's sweat proof and waterproof. I mean, honestly, I feel like I'm gonna incorporate this into my bridal looks, my bridal clients, especially this lighter skin one, because you know this looks like it could be a really great shade for people who have yellow undertones and stuff like that. So with that said, is it worth your money? I should think that it's worth your money if you can find your shade, and you know, good luck with that. I don't know, I feel like we could do better, guys. We could do better. Why don't you just put out like a range like the other foundation that you guys have in store? I might just try that one next. Who knows? And yeah, like I said, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have already subscribed and pressed the notification bell, because I am going to be putting on a lot more content and I want you guys to see. I don't want to be talking to myself over here. Actually, I actually forgot to tell you that this lip gloss is a little tingly, and it's got argan oil, and it says it's got a 6-hour wear. And quite honestly, 6 hours for lip gloss, that's a stretch. That's a stretch. I'm telling you. So yeah, guys, let me stop looking at myself in the mirror because I'm kind of digging this eye look over here. And let me go get my life, and I'll see you guys next time. Hi guys, I hope I am in focus. Anyways, this is how this foundation looks. It's been about an hour and I'm still technically super dry. I just wanted to get in the sun so that you guys can actually see what I mean by dry. There's not a hint of oil. I think the only oil that I can feel, even like my nose, guys, and my nose usually gets oily first, but it's like super matte, and I am impressed, and I hope you guys can actually see. My camera was out of focus earlier, and I guess I'm gonna have to check in with you guys in an hour, maybe in 2 hours, and then maybe in 4 hours, and after that I'm probably gonna wash this off because I can't stand this. But let's see how well it's gonna be looking in an hour. And this is what it looks like in the sun too. Daylight, Botswana light, super hot, super fiery. Whew. We're back. Hi guys, it's me again. I should think that it's probably almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Wait, 2 p.m. sorry, 2 p.m. in the afternoon where I am. So that would mean that I've been wearing the foundation for 3 hours now. I feel like I can notice shine around my nose. That is the most typical. Sorry, I feel like I can notice shine around my nose. That is the most typical like area where I usually get shine, and I don't know where else. I think my eyebrows as well, and around my mouth because I had a pie. But other than that, I think it's still really matte. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Hi everybody, it's almost 6 o'clock, or is it past 6? But this is what this foundation looks like after a couple of hours. It's been 7+ hours now, and honestly speaking, I'm not mad at this foundation. It's held up. I took a nap, so that should say a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment and what I had to do today. It's been fun, but I need to go and wash this off. The more good things I found about this foundation, the more mad I am at it, because I just wish more people would be able to enjoy it if they offered a wider shade range. That's just me. But yeah, bye guys, and see you in my next video.